cutting shapes, a real show. Crayons bright, the colors flow. Stay inside, escape the snow. Glitter, glue, and paper glow. Cutting shapes, a real show. Crayons bright, the colors flow. Stay inside, escape the snow. Scissors snip, confetti flies. Sparkling stars in kids' eyes. Stringing up those bright supplies. Crafting magic, no disguise. Happy New Year comes about. Joy and laughter all around. With each cut and cheer we found. Crafting dreams that do astound. Paintbrush dips in shades so bold. Fingers sticky, stories told. Every stroke a tale unfolds. Know your magic we behold. Stickers stick with hearts so true. Glitter trails like morning dew. Crafting love for me and you. New beginnings, fresh and new. Piping us twist shapes divine. Beats that dazzle, threads entwine. Crafting moments pure and fine. New year promises shine. Happy New Year comes about. Joy and laughter all around. With each cut and cheer we found. Crafting dreams that do astound. Paintbrush dips and shades so bold. Fingers sticky, stories told. Every stroke a tale unfolds. New Year magic we behold. Working dreamings right. We made a world behind the screen. In pixels bright where dreams convene. You clicked and watched and laughed along. Together we grew brave and strong. Each come and let the story bloom. From cozy rooms to virtual Zoom. Thumbs up high, give us a cheer. Building up this bond so near. Thanks for watching, thanks for being in this realm of endless dreaming. Every like and share and view makes this magic feel so true. From midnight snacks to morning rays, we journey through these endless days. Your support is lifeblood pure. With every click you give us more. Keep on watching, stay right there. Stay asleep or wide aware. We're here for you, you've been so kind. In this world where hearts align. Here's to laughter, tears and fun. To